J'étais se dit I was. I was. Was s'écrit W-A-S. I was. I was. Alors répétez.
I was.
I was. Au singulier, on dit I was. Il était. He was. Elle était.
She was.
She was. Et c'était. It.
It was.
It was. J'étais.
I was.
I was. Je n'étais pas. Avec le verbe être, on ne signale pas la négation avec didn't.
I not was.
No. I was not.
I was not.
C'est comme au présent. Je suis.
I am.
I am. Je ne suis pas. I am not. Avec le verbe être, on n'emploie pas le signal don't. I don't. I am. I'm not. Il est. He.
He is.
He is. Il n'est pas.
He is not.
He is not. On n'emploie pas de signal pour introduire une négation ou une interrogation avec le verbe être, to be. Au passé non plus. J'étais, I was. Je n'étais pas, I was not. Sans signal. Alors, comment dites-vous il était?
He was.
He was. Et il n'était pas?
He was not.
He was not. Elle était?
She was.
She was. Elle n'était pas?
She was not.
She was not. C'était?
It was.
It was. Ce n'était pas?
It was not.
It was not. Ce n'était pas possible?
It was not possible.
It was not possible. Ce n'était pas prêt?
It was not ready.
It was not ready. Arriver, l'infinitif de arriver.
To arrive.
To arrive. Je suis arrivé.
I arrived.
Good, I arrived. I arrived. Quand est-ce que vous êtes arrivé?
When did you arrive?
Good, right. When did you arrive? Avec le signal, l'infinitif qui suit est toujours sans le to. When did you arrive? J'étais à la maison hier soir.
I was at home tonight. Last night.
Right, I was at home last night. Parce que j'étais fatigué.
Because I was tired.
Right, because I was tired. Because I was tired. Je suis resté à la maison hier soir.
I stayed at home.
Right, I stayed at home hier soir.
Last night.
Right, I stayed at home last night. Combien de temps êtes-vous resté? Combien de temps?
How long?
How long? Yes. Combien long? How long êtes-vous resté?
Did you stay?
Yes, yes. How long did you stay at home? Combien de temps êtes-vous resté à la maison? Combien de temps êtes-vous resté? How long did you stay? Je ne suis pas resté longtemps. Je ne suis pas resté.
I didn't stay it.
Non, je ne suis pas resté.
I didn't stay.
Yes, I didn't stay. Et pour longtemps, on dit simplement long. I didn't stay long. I didn't stay long. Combien de temps? How long? Et longtemps, long. I didn't stay long. Parce qu'il était tard.
Because it was
Tard?
late.
Good, because it was late. Et j'étais fatigué.
And I was tired.
And I was tired.
Tired.
Yes. Alors, j'étais?
I was.
I was. Je n'étais pas?
I was not.
I was not. Ou avec la contraction
I wasn't.
wasn't. Bravo. I wasn't. Il était
He was.
He was. Et il n'était pas sans la contraction
He was not.
He was not. Avec la contraction
He wasn't.
He wasn't. Elle était
She was.
et elle n'était pas sans la contraction
She was not.
She was not. Et avec la contraction
She wasn't.
She wasn't. C'était
It was.
It was. Ce n'était pas sans la contraction
It was not.
It was not. Et avec la contraction
It wasn't.
It wasn't. It wasn't. Maintenant, pour nous étions, on dit we were. We were. Were s'écrit W-E-R-E. Were. Vous étiez, you were. Et ils étaient, they were. Le verbe être a deux formes au passé, was et were. Was pour la première et la troisième personne du singulier, je, et il, elle, ça. Et avec les autres personnes, on emploie were. Nous étions, vous étiez, ils étaient.
Alors au pluriel on dit were.
Oui, mais vous, ça peut être singulier ou pluriel, n'est-ce pas? Tu et vous.
Même si c'est le singulier, on dit were.
Oui, oui. You were.
You were.
Oui. Tu étais, c'est aussi you were.
I was et you was.
Non. I was, he was. I was, he was, it was. Mais pour le reste, on dit were. Alors, nous étions là.
We were there.
Right. We were there. Ils étaient là.
They were there.
Yes, they were there. Vous étiez là.
You were there.
Right. You were there. Tu étais là.
You were there.
Yes, you were there. Où étais-tu? Où étiez-vous?
Where you were.
Non, c'est une question.
Where were you?
Right. Where were you? Where were you? Il était là.
He was there.
Right. He was there. Elle n'était pas là.
She wasn't there.
Very good. She wasn't there. J'étais là.
I was there.
I was there. À quelle heure étiez-vous ici?
At what time were you here?
Right. At what time were you here? À quelle heure étais-tu ici?
At what time were you here?
At what time were you here? À quelle heure était-il, eux, ici?
At what time were they here?
Right. At what time were they here? À quelle heure étions-nous ici?
At what time were we here?
Right. At what time were we here? À quelle heure est-ce que j'étais ici?
At what time was I here?
Right. At what time was I here? Ce n'était pas nécessaire.
It wasn't
Necessary.
necessary.
Je vous rappelle que les mots qui se terminent par R en français se terminent par hurry en anglais. Necessary. Nécessaire. Necessary. Contraire, contrary. Vocabulaire, vocabulary. Bon, alors, hier, yesterday, yesterday,
Yesterday.
yesterday, hier, Nous sommes arrivés hier.
We arrived yesterday.
Very good. We arrived yesterday. Dans quelques minutes, in a few minutes, a few, quelques, a few. Quelques, au pluriel, c'est a few. Dans quelques minutes, in a few minutes.
In a few minutes.
In a few minutes. In a few minutes. Once more.
In a few minutes.
Yes, in a few minutes. A few s'écrit en deux mots. A, dire A, few, F,